Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Install Chromium 120 and Node. JS 18 on your workstation before you begin, and confirm you have 4 GB free disk space for sample assets. Create a project folder named Avatar World and initialize npm with npm init. Enable WebXR and experimental web platform features in Chrome, //flags, then restart the browser. Use a simple static server like HTTP server or live server, and serve the folder on localhost 8080 for local testing and debugging with DevTools open. Export your character as a GLTF2, 0 file under 2 MB when possible to reduce load times and memory. Use Blender or similar to combine mesh, skin, and animations, then bake animations into the GLTF. Use 3. JS or Babylon. JS to load the GLTF, apply PBR materials, and aim for 60 FPS rendering on desktop. Keep textures at 2048 x 2048 or smaller. Compress JPEG/PNG to about 1.5 MB total, and use LODs. Host your avatar world on HTTPS using a self-signed certificate for local testing, or obtain a real certificate for public deployment to avoid mixed content blocks. Test interactions with keyboard, mouse, and a VR controller. Map input to avatar locomotion, gestures, and lip sync. Profile CPU and GPU with DevTools, and reduce draw calls and shader complexity. Optimize animations and textures to keep frame time under 16 ms to maintain smooth 60 FPS. And iterate until interaction latency feels natural.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.